What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making a pencil skirt, and we're going to need a stretchy fabric for this project. We're going to need a measuring tape, a tailor chalk, an elastic, a thread, a scissors, a ruler, and a sewing machine. So let's get started. So now we rule a straight line here for our waist measurement. Take 2 inches for the elastic band. And now we'll take our waist measurement. My waist measurement is 34. You divide that by 4. I'll use 8.5. And then for the hip measurement, I'll take 8 inches. For the hip measurement, my hip measurement is 42. I'll divide that by 4, which is 10.5. And then I'll draw a line down. And then I'll take my length measurement. For this, I'll be taking 26 inches. And then I'll add my 2-inch hem. And then I'll cut. I folded my fabric into 4 places, like this. And then I'll cut. And then this is what we have. We have 2 pieces. And then now I'll go to the sewing machine to sew the both sides, and then I'll be right back. Thank you. Sewing both sides of my skirt right now, and then I'll show you how to fix the elastic band. So I have joined both sides of the skirt now, and now I'm going to fix my elastic. And then for my elastic, I'm going to measure 32 inches. So my waist measurement is 34. I'll minus 2 to give me 32 inches. And then I'll cut. And then I'll go over to my sewing machine, I'll join my elastic band. But right now I'm going to be pinning it first so I can show you how to fix your elastic. So you're going to take your elastic band. You're going to mark the middle of your elastic band now with your chalk. Mark it on both sides. And then you're going to pin it right here on the edge of one side. You're going to pin the marked side on the edge of one side. And then pin the other edge on this side. And then you're going to sew the edges of your elastic, which is using the zigzag stitches. You're going to sew around the edges, and then I'll be right back to show you the next step. Thank you. So right now I'm joining my elastic with zigzag stitches, and I'm stretching it as I go. I'm stretching my elastic. So now I have stitched the elastic band on the skirt. The next thing you do is to fold it. You fold your band, your waistband like this. You can fold it once and make a stitch around here. You can fold it once and make a stitch around this place on both sides. You can make a stitch around this to secure the elastic, or you can fold it twice. You can fold it twice. I'm going to be folding mine twice. Then I'll stitch the sides. I folded mine twice now. And then after that, I also secure the middle part of the skirt with just a tiny stitch around this place. And then after that, you hem the bottom of your skirt. You fold it twice like this, and then you sew around. And then I'll be right back to show you the finished product. So right now I'm hemming the bottom part of my skirt. And then I'll show you the finished product, or the finished project. So I decided to fold mine once, and then I made a stitch on the sides, on the both sides, and then I made a tiny stitch here too. And then I did my hemming, and that's it for this skirt. Thank you. All right guys, here's our pencil skirt. And just a quick reminder, you can try your skirt to be sure that it fits before you add your elastic. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe, and click the notification button. I love you for watching. Bye.